a killer disease, a prevalent disease that found in the whole world. People are afraid of cancer. It starts from small age to the older age. What do you mean by cancer? It is a condition where the cells multiply in a large amount. So before going in details about the cancer, we must understand what is the difference between a normal cell and a cancer cells. In normal cells, the growth of the cells is controlled and each healthy cells has a specific function and it is specifically used for that particular functions alone. But in the case of cancer cells, it grow out of control. They are not specific, or we can say that they don't have any specific function except the functions of multiplying into larger number. So if you see the life cycle of a cancer cells from the normal cells to the cancer cells, the normal cells we can say that they are in small number, very specific, very clear. The normal cells leads to hyperplasia. What do you mean by hyperplasia? It is a unstructured cell, or we can say that some extra cells are formed. And hyperplasia leads to dysplasia. The cells has no clear vision or no clear clarity is there. So much of cells are produced or dividing in faster cells. Dysplasia is leading to cancer cell. That means the cells are not in a conditions or it is not having the original functions that it used to have. Who can get cancer? From young to the old, men and women or children, anybody can get cancer in all over the world. What are the different types of cancer? The first and foremost is the carcinoma. The epithelial cells that is found inside and outer part of the body. It develops into cancer cells and they are found in the areas of lungs, breast and the colon regions. The second type is the sarcoma cells. It are located in the bone, cartilage, fat and connective tissues, muscles and other supportive tissues. The third one is the lymphoma cancer. It is found in the lymph nodes and the immune tissues. And the fourth one is the leukemia found in the bone marrow and the blood streams. And the last one is adenoma cancer. That is arises from the thyroid, pituitary gland, adrenal gland, other glandular tissues. The soft tissue of the sarcoma or the different locations that is that are found in the lymph vessels, the blood vessels, in the fat cells or in the muscles, tendons, ligaments and cartilage and the nerve cells. What are the different types of cancer? In cancer, when we talk about there are more than 200 types of cancer. Some of the cancers are anal cancer, bladder cancer, bone cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, lung cancer, kidney or endometrial cancer, pancreatic, stomach, even mouth cancer, brain cancer and so on. Overweight and obese people have the high risk for developing cancer. The 2/3 of the men and half of the women in Britain are overweight and they are prone to get lot of cancer compared to other countries. What are the different reasons for developing cancer? The first and foremost is the intake of tobacco. Regular usage of tobacco increases the cells to lose its control and the cells are altered or the structure of the cells get altered by different factors, very especially the tobacco, and it affects the lung, mouth, throat, nose, liver and pancreas. And of course, as I said, obese people also has a high risk for cancer development. Excess consumption of red meat or red wines or lot of fatty content food items, sugary food can be also an other impact on developing cancer in obese people. Alcohol's intake also is a major fact. It can also cause the cells to become premature and it destroys the cells. Physical inactivity. When body doesn't have a regular exercise or proper energy output in the body become very weak, or we can say that the body become like very sleepy body, or dizziness can be arise in the bodies, and that can also cause that the cells are not very vibrant, very active, so that also can cause a for the risk for developing cancer. Sun exposure. Nowadays we can see that people are affected with exposure to sun rays, very especially the UVA, UVB rays are very straightly coming to the earth surface and affecting very especially the skin cancer, and people are affected by that. Then infections due to medicines, or infection due to pollutions, or infections due to any other cause also can agent for development of cancer in patients. Viral hepatitis B and C also cause cancer to the liver. Human papilloma virus infection causes cervical cancer. The bacterium Helicobacter pylori increases the risk of stomach cancer. The last is the environmental carcinogens. It can be the amount of smoke that arises from the factories, or overexposure to high temperature of light and radiations. And of course we can also say that due to the pollutions in the environment, the genes also can be altered by mutations, and mutations or chemical mutations can also alter the gene, and it will also cause the natural cells to develop into a cancer cells. So what are the different ways to detect the cancer? It can through the X-ray, CT scans, MRI scans, PET scans and ultrasound scans that are used to detect the cancer in any part of the body. The endoscopy is an instrument attaching a bulb on one part of in one end of the instrument and inserting into the body parts, and that attaching with a camera that will be going into the bloodstreams or in any typical part of the body, that will capture the unhealthy cell structure, and if there are any lymph or any nodules are found, that will be captured by the camera, and through endoscopy also the detection of cancer can be done. Warning signals for cancer: change in bowel bladder habits, a sore that does not heal, unusual bleeding or discharge, thickening or lump in breast or elsewhere, indigestion or difficulty to swallow, obvious change in part or a mole, nagging cough or hoarseness of voice. Cancer prevention can be done through avoiding tobacco or very less consumptions of tobacco, avoiding or limiting alcohol consumption, eating adequate fruits and vegetables daily, knowing family history of cancer, limiting exposure to sun and radiation. Choosing healthy food reduces cancer about 30 to 40%. Regular exercise, eating a low fat content food, maintaining healthy weight throughout their life. So here the picture itself, it shows that lot of vegetables, lot of grains, fruits, a healthy diet that it can give a sufficient amount of fat content, sufficient amount of nutrient, sufficient amount of glucose content to the body, and that it can be a good source to maintain a healthy lifestyle in order to prevent the cancer diseases. As I said or mentioned earlier, what are the different causes of cancer in at one glance? That it can be the virus attack, occupational factors, alcohol intake, exposure to radiation, diet, tobacco and exposure to sunlight, and even the other agents that are present in the environment. What are the different treatment for cancer? As I said, it is a killer disease. If it is detected in the first stage, we can go for a surgery, removal of that particular part, for example breast or rectal cancer or a prostate cancer. Removing that particular part, that will reduces the development of further cells in the body. The second treatment for cancer is a radiation, destroying the cancer by focusing high energy rays on the cancer cells. This radiation damages the molecules that make up the cancer cells and leads them to death. And of course, people also go for chemotherapy. It is a very painful process. That means the chemicals are giving through injections to the body cells and damaging the proteins or the damaged DNA so that cancer cell undergoes cell death. And the fourth category of preventing cancer is immunotherapy. It is nothing else, giving immune systems to be very strong. The injection is given so that the immune system gets strong, and if there is any cancer cells also is present, that will be also destroyed by the healthy cells that is found in and around the body. The fifth aspect is the hormone therapy. Hormone therapy is designed to alter the hormone production of the body so that the cancer cells stop growing. Breast cancer hormone therapies reduces the estrogen levels, and the prostate hormone therapies reduces the testosterone levels when these hormones are given to the patients. Gene therapy, of course, it is the latest therapy that is included in the treatment. That means they are altering the genes or introducing the healthy genes to the body system. Very especially the damaged gene, that is signal cells to stop dividing, that is the P53 gene, with a copy of a working gene. As I said, cancer is a very prevalent disease found all over the world. All people are affected by the cancer cells, but by the grace of God, we can take care of our own health by different aspects like a quality care to oneself, physical activity in a very healthy practice, sufficient nutrient content can be given or even taken by the patients, early detections of cancer, and by no tobacco abuse. With all this, the cancer disease can be prevented or the lifelong of the cancer can be extended. By the grace of God, any cancer disease can be also cured because lot of medicines and medications have come today. And as all the different treatment that I have mentioned, if it is given in the right sense, we can reduce the risk of cancer.